today I woke up so pissed off, and I have working constructions in my building, and everything in my house just went dust. My hair got worn, and everything got dusty. If you can see the window, never mind, I just got super pissed. So this video won't be perfect, but it's just going to be my day and my thoughts about this subject. And my subject today is cropping in, out, and outside. I will demonstrate everything. Just, you know what, let me get a piece of paper. So, sorry about that. Although I'm talking about cropping, I'm not going to crop anything from this demonstration, hopefully, because I just want to get through this feeling of annoyance, that's a word, you know what I mean. I'm just so pissed off that I want to make a video and relax. Alright, so I want to talk about cropping. I was going to make another camera from above to show you. I will do it in the later videos, but just go with me here. So the way I see it, you have three ways of cropping your image, your idea, your thoughts to someone else. And the reason to do that is because you need them to get their attention, to be focused. And that's the first point of cropping. Imagine every idea that you have, every photo that you want to share with someone is mainly just a big round of, let's say, a ball. Right? And you want to throw those to someone else to grab them and to notice them. So you can't really throw so many ideas at someone and he will actually remember them and understand everything you want from them, because you want them to grab so many maybe images, a series of images that not really connected to each other. Like you took one on the street with those kind of colors and there is no connection to the other photo that you took next to the lake later that night with the different colors, with a different mindset, with a different mood of that photo. And you want to share all of those beautiful photos with someone, but he can't really grasp so much in this little time that you share with him. It's like you know that when you hear someone pitching an idea, or you see a series of photos on Instagram, let's say, so you mainly see and remember only the one, maybe the two first things that you see, the first two photos. But many photographers, including me, have this problem of sharing too much and in the same post, let's say, or just send someone too many photos or a collection in Lightroom that contains so many different vibes, different ideas, different moods, that I won't really remember the most of it. I will just remember the first or two, or something that picks my eye. And I think this urge to share everything right now with social media with other person is really damaging the capability of someone else to grasp what you want them to grasp. And it's better to just divide it and crop out things that you don't want to share instantly and just spread it out across a couple of days. So very nice drawing, but you know, day one, just focus on a specific idea, specific mood, even if it's not from the same day, even if you already posted it before. Just collect a series of the same idea, I will say it over and over again, inside photos, inside a photo series, or inside something you want to say and pass someone else. It's not specifically about photography. It's something that I believe it's in general true to everything you want to pitch to someone else. In the second day, another idea, you get to the point. Third day, fourth day, just to be perfection here. And this is the first point about cropping. It's cropping from the outside, and do all the photos you want to share right now connected to each other and transform a clear idea. And that's funny that I'm talking about cropping and clear idea, and this whole video is one big mess, but just bear with me, please, because I don't have a mood to make a pretty nice, good structured video. The next point about cropping is actually cropping inside the photo, which is maybe the most obvious part. This is the part that I least want to talk about today. This is a completely separate video, but you know this, and I will share right now a series of photos that I took before and after cropping. When you crop inside a photo, you can get a completely different thing that you show, like a completely different scene with different people and a different thing to to draw the watcher eye to your photo. If you crop it, you can make someone focus on a specific flower, on a specific person, or a different scene in the corner of the photos. And I do it a lot with ICM photography. I actually crop a very big photo of 28mm focal length, let's say, to really a small part of the photo, so it will see like an ICM. It will look like blurry a little bit, like a motion photography, but it's not. It's just cropping a lot, and the pixel quality goes down. So I will get those interesting photos. It's something that I love to play with in Lightroom after I take the photo. Just crop and try different cropping in the same photo. Sometimes I post even a couple of photos inside one photo that I took, and it looks like completely two different photos, and I really like to play with that. I think that's a cool way to get the maximum out of your photos. So I don't know why I draw this, but just crop your photos inside. So we had the outside, the know how much to share, how much photos to share with someone. Is it related to each other? Inside the photo we can get different vibes. And the last one is not less important, and I have to say I'm not very good at this, but I'm trying, and I know the importance of that. And that is when you share a photo with someone, an idea, or just a video even, never mind what you're sharing with other person, you usually have to put words into that photo, into that frame, with the caption, the description, things you put inside your photo. And it's a second chance to get your viewer, after the first attention that he got from your photo, he looks at the caption and he wants to see what you have to say about that. And in that part, I have trouble get what I want to say, and mainly because I really have to sit and think about what should I say. Like, when I say the settings that I use, the ISO, shutter speed, everything, or do I want to say where I took this photo, what do I see, how do I felt when I took this photo, what camera did I use, every sort of things that I can share, or maybe something unrelated, just a thought or an idea that I have that's connected to that photo. And I won't tell you like what to write on your photos, it's a completely personal thing, but I just want to share with you the main guideline that structured me when I try to write caption for a photo, and that is the idea of cropping inside the caption. And that means, like, if I'm sharing a photo of this lady in black and white choosing jewelry in a jewelry stand on a Friday afternoon, just smiling, looking for pretty jewelry, then I can write this sentence. And I have many mistakes in English, so I will use ChatGPT right now. Write to me in English, a lady that... Okay, so ignore my writing completely. But my point is that the first phrase that you put in the caption is the one that captures the attention. And this is the first impression, the biggest way to put influence on someone to read the rest of the post. You can write as many things you want in the caption, and you don't have to limit yourself. But I think the first role and the first thing that grabbed our eyes and we need to click to continue reading, or just continue reading a mail that you send to someone, is the most important thing. And what I do is write what I see or what I want to share, the settings and everything, and then I just crop out whatever I can and whatever feels the most right in the same moment, if I want to be artistic or if I want to be professional and more technical about what I'm transferred to you. So I wrote a lady stand before a small beautiful jewelry stand in a quiet Friday afternoon. And when I want to think about what can I crop here, so I crop everything, let's say, but beautiful jewelry. That's what I want to say here. That's the artistic part of it. I want to crop everything and just leave beautiful jewelry, because you see the woman, it looks like a jewelry in this photo, in this specific frame, and it just feels the most right to me right now to make a caption of that photo. So I cropped so many out of this first sentence that describe what I see, and I got this beautiful artistic phrase, small one, a short one, that anyone can really understand what I meant here. Beautiful jewelry, it's much more, it's a clearer concept to see and grab, and just makes you connect more to the photo instantly. So in that case, I will write beautiful jewelry, and then I will make the rest of the description whatever I want to say about the things that I erased here. So that's the third part of cropping. Cropping the amount that you share with someone, like how many balls he can catch, the ideas that you have with him. Crop it out, crop inside the photo, inside the book, inside the script that you want to transfer to someone, so you have the main idea, but you're not over explaining, overboard someone with the long. And crop the text around the photo, or the small description around the message that you want to transfer. Just the first phrase, the first impression, crop there. I think that's the most important thing. That's it for today. I will continue do a vlog today, and I'm going to share this with you tomorrow, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want. I have to say that my hair is not dry yet, but I feel much better after making this quick video with you, and just put my mind out of being annoying before. I feel much more relaxed, and I feel like I can start my day. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon next video.